Choose any prime number greater than 3. For your reference, here are the prime numbers up to 500. Try doing it in your notebook. We have to choose a prime number which is greater than 3. Square that number. After you have squared it, subtract a 1 from that number. And that would give you some result. The result you got will surely be divisible by 24. True, isn't it? Let's say you chose 89. Squaring 89 would give you 7,921. Subtracting 1 from this would give you 7,920. Dividing 7,920 by 24, we get no remainder. We get the quotient as 330. Let's try a bigger number. Say we chose 419. Squaring it, we get 175,561. And subtracting 1 from this gives us 175,560. Dividing this by 24 gives us 7,315. Yes, 24 goes exactly into each of those numbers. Why? What's so special about prime numbers? To know that, we need to know just one concept. Any prime number greater than 3 can be written in the form 6n plus 1 or 6n minus 1, where n is a natural number. Take the prime number 13 for instance. It can be written as 6 times 2 plus 1. What about 11? Yes, it can be written as 6 times 2 minus 1. 29 can be written as 6 times 5 minus 1. 73 can be written as 6 times 12 plus 1. Let's say the prime number we chose was of the form 6n plus 1. The first thing we did was we squared the number. That would give us 6n plus 1, the whole squared. Then we subtracted 1. Using the identity of a plus b, the whole squared, we write this as 36n squared plus 12n plus 1. And minus 1 is written as is. 1 and minus 1 cancel out and we are left with 36n squared plus 12n. Look at both the terms. 12n is a common factor to both. This can also be written as 12n multiplied by 3n plus 1. Look at n and 3n plus 1. One of them has to be even. If n is 3, 3n plus 1 will be 10, which is even. If n is 6, then 3n plus 1 will be 19. Either of them will be even. And an even number will always be a multiple of 2, which tells us that this product here has to be a multiple of 24. But what if the number was of the form 6n minus 1? We square it and then we subtract a 1. Solving this in a similar way would give us this product. And yes, again either n or 3n minus 1 will always be even. No matter what prime number you take, if you square it and subtract 1 from it, it will surely be divisible by 24. Another tiny little thing you should know. Every prime number greater than 3 can be written in one of these two ways. But its converse may or may not be true. If a number can be written in one of these forms, it does not mean that the number is prime. Take the number 25 for example. It can be written as 6 times 4 plus 1. But it is not a prime number.